One of the things that we have to learn are the three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas, and the vocabulary words associated with the changes from one of these states into a different state. So if we have a solid and we want to change that solid into a liquid, the name of that transition from a solid to a liquid we have learned is the word melting. But a lot of times in chemistry we don't use the vocabulary words that we use in our normal life. They like to give it a new name. So the vocabulary word for going from a solid to a liquid is the word fusion. If we have a liquid and we want to change that liquid into a gas, we know that as the word boiling. But again, just like before, we want to use a new or learn a new vocabulary word for going from a liquid to a gas, and that vocabulary word is vaporization. Now, we can go the opposite way. We can go from a gas to a liquid, and the vocabulary word for going from a gas to a liquid is the word condensation. Or we can go from a liquid to a solid, and the vocabulary word for going from a liquid to a solid is the word crystallization. Or the word that we use for crystallization is the word freezing. Now, there are times when a solid can go directly to a gas without going through the liquid phase. And the vocabulary word for going from a solid to a gas without going through the liquid phase is the word sublimation. The most common example of sublimation is a piece of dry ice turning into a gas. And just as you can go from a solid directly to a gas, you can also go from a gas directly to a solid. And the vocabulary word for that transition is the word deposition. So this is your states of matter butterfly.